We are playing, um, we are playing Roblox and, I don't know what's this game, Strawberry Elephant Tower. I'm gonna try that out. If my friend here wants to join me, he can. But yeah, I'm gonna begin. So yeah. So if he wants to join me, he can if he wants to. But he's playing my Brainrot Miner. Mine what?
My brain was mine.
My Brainrot Miner. So he's just quickly doing that, and then he's gonna come and play with me. So if when he joins me, I'll just go back and go with him. How do you get up to there? Oh, that's how. Oh, hang it. So yeah, if he wants to join me, it's his choice, not mine. Okay. Okay. So he's gonna join. My friend's gonna join me now.
That was.
Look, come on.
Look on.
Here, come.
Strawberry.
Come. Here, over here. Leon, let's go up the obby. Come down. There's a fast away. Come here. Follow me. Come up here. Where are you? Climb. Come. Let's go. So guys, this is my friend. He's in lots of my videos. He's Leon.
Don't tell my name. My name
Name is Luke. On his PlayStation, is his name Lucaman. Lucaman 2K.
2K70.
Yeah. Are you coming, Liar?
I'm just taking damage.
Cut. Shit. I took damage. Wait for me. No. Dang it, Liar. I'm gonna kill you.
No, you won't.
Lucaman, come. I'm waiting for you.
Look, aku hierdie over hier doen.
Yeah, quick. I wanna also do that. Boing. Wait for me. My friend, wait for me.
Ek kan letterlik oor alles loop.
Wait for me, my friend. Wait for me. Shit, I'm low health. Bro, I'm gonna die any second now.
Check mine out.
Oh shit, Nico.
Treadmill. Okay.
I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you at the next checkpoint.
Right.
Yeah. Boy, get over here. Oh, I made it to the next checkpoint. I'm waiting for you here, my friend. Go.
Ek gaan wag tot jy klaar is.
You have to jump, my guy. No, just go to that ladder. Just go to the ladder. It's faster. Then I don't have to wait here for you.
Way faster. Okay, no, look, it's just like bad at the game.
What?
Lights just like bad and
Okay, my guy. I'm waiting for you this side. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Go! Jij moet springen. Oh.
Bro, Nicholas.
I'll help you. Bro, get out! Nou, het heb ik gedespawned. Dan moet ik oorbeginnen. Oh, het my geklap. Dan moet ek oorbeginnen. Jy gewoon vir dit. Watch jou. Ek sê jou nou.
Ek het een ding. Oh, weet je.
Oh shit. Kijk al, je gaat nou van wie? Zo val je.
Hierdie is verkeerd. Mikey, wat sê?
I'm coming. I'm at the
Hoekom is iemand se join?
Hey yo, what the hell does he mean by that? What does he mean by giant sack?
Two balls.
Oeh, dis hoekom hy wou nie laat jy ek het op hy groen knoppie gesit en maak dit invisible. Hy bo. Hoeveel. Ag nee, hulle slag, kyk hier so, ag hulle slag met die ding. Ek het een robot. Ja, want hulle flip en hulle sit op hy groen knoppie dan despawn die groen blokkie. Dan gaan jy dan disappear hy. Dan val jy.
Waar?
Ja. Dis hoekom jy nie kan.
Dis wel ek.
Dang it.
Alles is in.
Ja.
Jy moet eintlik hier van kaart ook.
Ja, ek moes eerder dit vat.
Ek sien nou net nou Robux.
Ja, maar ek gaan vandag dalk Robux kry. Ja.
Was vriend.
Ek hier?
Wow. Oh,
Ja. Bra, moes hy dit doen?
Yes,
Bra, hy camp. Bra, he's camping. Bra, he's camping. Stop it. Whack him. Ja.
Op die van die lasers staan.
Dan.
Maar ek het dit op allemaal. Hierdie is spawn camp weer.
Ja, nee, ek weet. Spam camp. Shit, al amper gekook ek. Dat was ek amper gekook.
Hierdie ou camp.
Bra, as ek net 'n flippend flying carpet gehad het, sou ek oor daai ding vlieg en dan klap. Asseblief sê iemand het hom weggeklap. Het hom.
Hierdie ou. Iemand anders.
Dan, bra, staan hulle daar. Maar hulle gaan spam camp, dan gaan hulle wag tot iemand cross, dan gaan hulle nie, laat hulle nie. Bra, hulle spam camp die hele tyd. Bra, kan ek asseblief op hulle afhaal?
ken minister komt weer.
Bra! Moest hij ook voor mij komen? Yep. Guys, there's something spam camping at the other side, and we can't complete it as you saw. You stand on that green button what I stand on? Yeah. That makes the green block disappear, so we can't get up there.
I can spam camp, but I don't think.
So, yeah, me and my friend is also gonna camp when we get there. Because, okay, he's gone. But, as het, oh nee, dat is een ander spam. Dat is een ander over spam camp. Bro! Raakt ook op mijn groen blokje was. Bro, ek was toe nou by my ou flippende swaard te kap. Ek wou hom swaard van, ek sê hom sê, I would have hit that guy so hard, I would have flew, he would have get killed. Because I have this rainbow slab. This is one, it's cost $1.
And the sponsor today is Steel Abraham. The sponsor for today is Steel Abraham. Ek was letterlijk, ek beloof jou, Eva. Ek was letterlijk so naby. Net toe ek spring, nee. Ek was op die ding. Ek was net.
Okay. Guys, this guy keeps spam camping. I'm gonna leave if he's still
Then
gonna.
we're gonna play Steel Abraham.
No. Then we're gonna play other. I will play. You're gonna, guys. So guys, you guys comment if you guys think I have to do a admin abuse on Steel Abraham. So yeah, comment that.
And subscribe for let Ethan play Plants vs. Brainrot from Dandel. But Dandel is always better. You say Dandel is better on
Then get out, just get out, bro. If you say if you anybody in the chat says Grower Garden is better, just get out. Just get out. If you guys know me good, if you guys just know me, you guys know I would have
His username is Sammy, so you know he's a Sammy. Oh, is it good?
Ja, maar flip het klap iemand my weg.
Hoe is het die buiten gaan?
Ek weet nie. Iemand het my geklap. Sorry guys, that sounded weird. I didn't mean it like that. Sorry guys. Admin panels is $160.
100.
Ja. Yeah guys, Lucaman is right in front of me.
Karma. This guy says he has karma. Ik weet het wel gemaakt.
Ja. Wat zei je? Shit where? Shit where? Go. Let's go. Finally. Wait voor Liard, wacht voor mij Rabo. Liard, wacht voor mij Rabo. Liard, wait for me at the top. Did you hear me? Liard, wacht voor mij. Hoe gaan je aan?
Als ik niet val,
Are you done? It's saying that there isn't checkpoints in this game.
Yeah, it is. No? Right?
If that guy spam cams, I'm gonna. Ja, wacht voor mij.
Okay, we met
Bra, ik wil net zo graag skip op hier. Maar ik het hier.
Do you know Simon?
Who's Simon?
Neil. Oh. Guys, comment down below what you want to do.
Guys, if you think that guy is so annoying, then comment down below. And guys, if you want to see me make another 99 nights in the corners video, you can just comment 99 nights. Then I will go. Okay, I will make a 99
Comment
nights.
idea. Your emoji.
Yeah. How do I get on Facebook? Okay. I can't figure it out. Oh my days.
Despawn.
Okay. Okay. Dan gaan wat sien nou. Moet nie gaan nie.
Ek gaan nie weg nie. Ek wil nie hoef met iemand wat kan klap. Iemand met my heen.
Please tell me this nobody safe.
Hierdie is 'n boodskap.
Did our guy have to do that? Bro, hy snap my aan. Ek gaan nie. I'm gonna actually rage quit on these guys, these people if they keep hitting
As
me.
jy nog een keer verloor gaan ek.
I'm just gonna rage quit if they keep hitting me. Literally, I'm gonna rage quit. Run. Oh, that's skill blocks.
Jy het dit gemaak. Hierdie kry sy freaking hand uit en wyse dit reg na my. Sê bro, ek gaan nou nie hoekie.
Bro, moet hulle dit flippend doen? Bro, ek gaan actually rage quit op hierdie game as hulle nie checkpoints insit nie. Ek gaan die flippend PlayStation controller teen die TV gooi.
Bro, jy is nie op die PlayStation.
Ek gaan nie om nie. Ek gaan die PlayStation controller uit jou hand uitvat en dit gooi.
Maar kom.
Want ek wil.
Ja, gooi ek dit in. Kyk hoe ek nou is.
Nou hell no.
Kyk hoe ek is.
What's dit?
Ek was een neus vol. Rage quit.
Toe maar, dit was lief jy.
Ja.
Hoekom?
Ek rage quit, dis wat.
Don't leave, bro, don't leave.
Klaar.
Get out. Okay.
Wat gaan ons doen?
I'm still playing this game.
Wat gaan ons speel?
I still need to complete this game. Nah,
Want dan moet ek vir dit gepraat.
nobody asked me. Neutral. Je gaan mij niet trollen, nee. Je gaan mij niet trollen. Ik wil zien of jullie ouwens gaan springen. Op een groen knopje. Go!
Koos nou speel. Wil jij?
We can, ons kan now. I've done it already complete. I just want to complete this thing. I'm gonna I just need to complete this for my video. Then we can make a 99 nights in the forest video.
Right after this one. Guys, like for Steal a Brain Rot.
Admin abuse.
Admin abuse.
What's tomorrow? Yeah, I'm rage quitting. Okay, guys, we are gonna
Play 99 nights.
Okay, guys, see you in the next video. No, actually, I don't think we're gonna end the video here. I think we have to play Cheese Escape.
Cheese Escape. I think you guys will know what it is. If you guys don't know, comment.
If you guys don't know what's Roblox, then just get out of my stream. Because, bro, this is literally the game I play every day. All of my videos are about Roblox. So I'm gonna join you in Cheese Escape. Guys, we're playing Cheese Escape. This video is not over yet. And yes.
Because this was like 5 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. What is an hour already, huh? An hour.
Guys, it doesn't want to show me I can join you. There we go.
Guys,
Join.
like for Steal a Brain Rot and subscribe for 99 nights.
Guys, if you comment down below 99 nights or Steal a Brain Rot. Guys, I want to know. Because me and my friend keeps fighting about what's better, 99 nights or Steal a Brain Rot. So guys, comment down below 99 nights or Steal a Brain Rot.
Steal a Brain Rot. Show them the cheese. Just show them. Guys, and I don't understand. Guys, I don't understand.
Oh, damn, you can't.
Guys, I don't understand. It's 9 cheese.
Cheese.
Is literally
Where are you, Luca man? Luca man. Oh no, bro. And I need to the trash. You cooked. Right, I need to do him again. Oh, I need to do him again. Bro. Stop! Over here. He's in the safe zone.
You can't end our video.
Why?
Because we're gonna play 99 rounds.
That's in our next video, guys. So comment down below. I already made
be 99.
I already made a 99 nights video. Guys, was that very good? Yeah, guys, was that good? I don't know because, yeah. Now, why is he still all the time by the door?
Because it's cancelled.
Guys, he's all the time by the door, then I can't.
I should ask for this.
Me too, I'm making a run for it. I'm finding all 9 cheeses. I don't care what he says. Luca man, get over here. Luca man.
2000.
Luca man, get over here. There we go. Luca man, come.
I'm not Luca man. I'm Luka Modric. If you don't know who's Luka Modric, he's one of the best soccer players in history. Not my favorite. Cristiano Ronaldo. Like for Messi, subscribe for Cristiano.
Do both. Subscribe. I got a cheese.
I've got a cheese.
I've got another cheese. I've got 2 cheeses so far, guys. Okay, guys, that's gonna end our video up. It's getting a little bit boring, so
if you guys want to see the 99 nights video right now, then comment down below 99 nights or a deer emoji. See you guys in the next one.
And always, peace.